After the court order and relocation of the elephant Madhuri, हर कोई उसे ही लेके बात कर रहा है. But do you know who Madhuri actually is and what she's really been through? It all started from an incident of 2017 where Madhuri allegedly killed a priest. But she was not violent in nature. It was because of her mental distress for being captivated for more than 2 decades. Madhuri is a 36-year-old elephant who has spent 33 of those years in isolation, chained up on hard concrete floors. She was being used in temple processions, like religious parades, in spite of knowing that she has foot arthritis and foot infection. And she used to carry heavy decorations on her, and she used to carry a carriage on her back. Also, one thing which I have to mention, that people of Kolhapur shares a different level of bond with Madhuri, which no one can deny. And they love Madhuri so much that this is very evident in lot of videos, in lot of reels which we all came across. But this doesn't change the fact that Madhuri is alone. Madhuri has never lived in nature. Madhuri has never been exposed to the taste of freedom. She has lived in a concreted place, being all chained up and used in temple processions. Scientifically speaking, elephants can live up to 60-65 years. And by that calculation in mind, our beloved elephant Madhuri is still left with 15 to 20 years. So doesn't she deserve to live freely with dignity and live among with their own species? Because as we all know that elephants are meant to live in herds. They are not supposed to live alone. Also, another thing to mention is that I do not mean to harm your religious sentiment. All I am prioritizing is the well-being of Madhuri, the elephant. Also, Jainism itself says to serve and protect the animals from pain, not just by giving them food or using them in rituals. And if Madhuri is in a better place now than she was in before, and she is being treated well and taken care of as promised, then I have zero issues with that. I don't understand why is it so difficult to protect and think for her best interest instead of ours. And that being said, I am Shobik and you are watching Law with Shobik. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment on this, and if you like the video, don't forget to follow.